So you should have been drawing a number line. You're at -3 1/3 and you want to take away 2 2/3. So you could do it a couple of ways, but I'm thinking take away 2. That's going to get you to 1 1/3. And you've only then got left 2/3 to take away. And again, you could break it down, take off a third first. 1 1/3, take away a third, leaves you with 1. You've still got a third to take away, so that's going to leave you with a whole 1, take away a third, you're just left with 2/3. Now, some of you just would have done that in your head, but it's best to use the number line, and you can check and go backwards by adding on a third, then adding on 2. So 3 1/3, take away 2, and 2/3 is 2/3. Okay, the next question, I'm going to just quickly do a fresh number line. So this time we're going to have to do the number line, but only the starting point is going to be at -3 3/4. So I'm going to put that on the number line, -3 3/4, and we need to take away, so that means we're going to be going down the number line, and we're going to take away 2 to start with. That's going to get us -3, -4, -5, think about it, so that's -5 3/4. We still need to take away 3/4. If we deal with taking off a quarter first, that's going to take us to -6. And then if we take off another quarter, because 2 quarters make a half, that's going to take us to -6 1/4. So that's our answer for the second one. -3 3/4, take away 2 1/2 is 6 1/4. -1 6 1/4. The final question then is 5 1/3, take away -4 1/3. So we're going to need a number line, and we're going to be starting this time at 5 1/3. So if we start at 5 1/3, we need to then think about which direction we're going to be going, because we've got a take away and negative. Now if you take away a bad thing, it's going to have a positive effect. So we're going to in fact go up the number line. So if we add on 4 to start with, we're at 5 1/3, add on 4, it's going to take us to 9 1/3. We've still got a third to add, so add another third, it's going to be 9 2/3. So that's your answer.